To get started, determine your desired post placement. If using both standard 2.5-inch Avalon posts and 2-inch over-the-top posts, make sure to align all the posts from the center. Snap a line on the deck to ensure alignment. Keep in mind that Avalon posts are designed to accept 3/8-inch fasteners sold separately. Be sure sufficient mounting structure exists to receive posts and install blocking if necessary. Plumb the posts using shims and secure the posts into place. Install a trim ring onto each post. For through-bolt applications, use the secondary mounting plate included with your Avalon post. Place an over-the-top bracket onto your over-the-top post. Secure the bracket to the post using the supplied screws. Repeat this for both posts. Place your rail panel across the opening and adjust to ensure equal baluster spacing on each end. Mark the rail panel at the post face at all 4 corners. Measure 1/4 inch from the marks towards the center of the panel to allow for bracket clearance, and cut the panel at this location on all 4 ends using a carbide tip blade of at least 60 teeth. Test fit the rail panel by hanging the panel on the top of the over-the-top brackets. Place your bottom rail bracket into the bottom rail and mark the top of the bottom rail bracket on your posts. Repeat for the other side. Remove your panel and bottom brackets. Align your bottom brackets to the marks made on your posts and mark the 2 holes using a pencil. Using a 1/8-inch drill bit, pre-drill these holes. Using provided screws, attach your bottom bracket to your post. Repeat this for the other post. Test fit the rail panel. Once you've got the proper fit, gently press fit the bottom bracket covers onto the ends of your bottom rail and set the panel into place on the brackets. If connecting to a 2.5-inch post during your install, you will need to attach the brackets in accordance with our standard Avalon instructions included with your rail panel or online. Pivot a support foot into place under the rail. If your section is longer than 6 feet, use 2 support feet and distribute evenly. Secure the support foot to the mounting surface using the provided 1.5-inch screw and press fit the cover into place with the plastic plug. The length of your top rail is determined by the type of bracket used. For our installation, we are using 2 end brackets. To determine the length, or for tips for all other combinations, refer to the printed instructions and see Figure 14. Our configuration of 2 end posts requires us to add 4¼ inches to our top rail. Starting at one end of your installation, fit your end cover onto the top rail and place it downward so that the end cover and top rail fit onto your post bracket and rail panel. Dry fit your top rails into place, moving from one post to the next. Then, working from one end of your installation to the other end, fit your top rails into place, ensuring that the top rail fits snugly into the bracket covers and onto the rail panels. Next, using the holes in the bracket as a guide, pre-drill two 1/8 inch holes from under the bottom of the rail up through the top rail. Drive two screws up through the hole, locking the bracket, panel, and top rail together, being careful not to drill through the top of the top rail.